In electrical systems, 120/240 volt circuits are commonly used to provide power to residential and commercial buildings. These circuits require 2 ungrounded conductors and 1 grounded conductor. The ungrounded conductors must be on opposite phases in 120/240 volt circuits. Voltage is the electrical potential difference between 2 points. In a 120/240 volt circuit, there is a potential difference of 120 volts between each ungrounded conductor and the grounded conductor, and a potential difference of 240 volts between the 2 ungrounded conductors. Phase refers to the timing of voltage changes. In a single-phase system, the voltage in each ungrounded conductor reaches its peak and trough at different times. The phase difference between the 2 ungrounded conductors in a 120/240 volt circuit is typically 180 degrees. When the ungrounded conductors are on opposite phases, they create a balanced circuit. This means that the current flowing through one ungrounded conductor is equal and opposite to the current flowing through the other ungrounded conductor. This balance prevents the neutral conductor from carrying any current under normal conditions. If the ungrounded conductors were on the same phase, they would create an imbalanced circuit. In this case, the neutral conductor would carry the difference in current between the 2 ungrounded conductors, which could overload the neutral and cause safety hazards. Balanced circuits offer several advantages. Firstly, reduced neutral current occurs because the neutral conductor carries minimal current, reducing the risk of overloading and overheating. Secondly, lower voltage drop happens because balanced circuits minimize voltage drop along the neutral conductor, ensuring that loads receive the correct voltage. Thirdly, improved efficiency is achieved because balanced circuits operate more efficiently by reducing energy loss due to neutral current flow. Understanding the concept of a 120/240 volt circuit is crucial. By ensuring that the ungrounded conductors are on opposite phases, electrical professionals can create balanced circuits that optimize performance, enhance safety, and comply with electrical codes.